Hey, how you folks doing today? It's your boy Lou from the Intelligent Hustler channel. And in this video, I want to tell you guys about um the material that I'm gonna show you guys the material that I have from when I used to work for a investment firm because I was so close to getting a stockbroker's certification. Next video, I'll do an entire. I'll explain the entire story about how I got into. Sorry, how I got into the financial uh, services industry for a while, right? Um, but I'm gonna show you guys like the entire thing as far as like what we had to study, um, the subjects that were covered, because it's a lot. Like they basically, okay, so this is the book, this is the notebook that we had. Um, so what is this? This is traditional listed options. We learned about call options, put options, um, parity, equity options. When the when is the correct date to declare payables, um, municipal corporate government bonds, certificate of bonds, corporate bonds. Um, we learn about money laundering. We learn about just operations within FINRA itself. Uh, a bunch of things like the entire even retirement. Okay, retirement accounts, that's a big one. um they are really big on people with not people but customers that have a certain uh securities that are fixed. So if you're on a fixed income, um from a pension or uh some other retirement plan, they're really big on those. So we had to really learn um, about those topics. So here, retirement and college tuition plans. Um, we learned a lot of things. Here, look, even Federal Reserve. I don't know if you guys can see a Federal Reserve in economics. Um, I'm Matter of fact, I'll just read the entire chapters to you guys. I'll read the entire chapters, like what was covered, so you get an understanding. Hold on. So, chapter 1, equity securities. Chapter 2, fundamentals of bonds, corporate bonds. 3, equity options. 4, specialized options. 5, option regulations, customer accounts, cash and margin accounts, investment companies, government securities, municipal bond basics, municipal bond taxation underwriting in the secondary market, municipal bond rules and regulations, investment banking, Securities Acts of 1933 and 1934, securities markets, Federal Reserve in economics, taxes, direct participation programs, retirement and college tuition plans, self-regulatory organizations, securities analysis, investment recommendations and strategies, um, and the rest is just additional resources. So me coming from like understanding mostly like day trading and just movements of stocks, that falls under chapter 21, which is just like the analysis of securities, right? which is really just like 1 or 2 pages. And when I got into this industry, I'm thinking that I know everything because I just I just studied like a bunch of YouTube videos and read a few books on trading stocks and investing stocks and things like that. So when I first got into this, I'm like, whoa, this is a totally different world than I imagined. This is way bigger than I thought it was. Um, they are, when it comes to financial industries, they are really big on things like retirement and college tuition plans and just annuities and certain securities that are designed for like people that are on a fixed income, because that's really most of, not really most, but that's a large chunk of the customers and of the population, right? And that's something that I didn't think of it before. um so for you guys out there that are, coming from like the day trading world, you know what I'm saying, and you think and you want you want to actually get into uh the stockbroker financial industry business, it's a lot of stuff out there. It's not just about, you know graphs and charts and patterns like that. We don't even use those when it comes to um the brokerage industry. um so it was definitely a an experience that expanded my mind, um that's all that I have for right now. I hope you guys like this video. Please like the video, please subscribe. I'll have a bunch more videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.